From all corners of the world, they come to a teacher training centre in Istanbul, leaving their homes and families to pursue their dreams of becoming English language teachers. But this is no ordinary teacher training program.
The reason why I decided to be a teacher.
My aim was to be an international teacher.
I've been trying to apply for teaching jobs, but all of them, they require either experience or a license, and I don't have any.
They come from different countries, cultures, first languages. They have very different teaching experience, the number of years, the context in which they have been working.
Who's next? Who's next?
Read the menu and see what you like.
It's ringing.
Who's coming?
Hello?
It's Mehdi again.
Language could be practiced by playing games and moving around and having fun.
Oh, an actor.
Did you tell me this?
Because if I say Jesus, yeah, you are Jesus.
By the time they go back to their own classrooms, they would try out some of those practice ideas.
Something that unites them is the fact that they came here, they are very brave, and they decided to do their best during these 4 weeks to teach and to plan the lessons, to work with people they have never met before.